This is Tamara Lynn. I am a Watkins consultant who sends you these emails every month in the newsletter. So this is a little video to explain our new website. It's got a totally different layout. There are some new things you need to do if you want to place an order, and the navigation is a little bit different. So figured rather than writing it all out, a little quick video may be more helpful. If you have any problems though, placing your order, navigating the site, anything like that, please reach out to me. I've got my contact information in the comments below, and just feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you out and assist you. So the first thing that's different, the website itself, it's still Watkins 1868. If you look on the screen here, it's watkins1868.com, but now there's a /consultant and then my ID number 378193. Okay, and that will take you to this page right here. Now, if you don't see my information here, okay, then for some reason you're not going onto the right site, so let me know. And you do want to look, see what country you're registered in. Okay, you can change it from USA and Canada now. If you have already been on this site and changed your password and everything's fine, that's great. Nothing more you need to do. If you haven't been on the site in a while and this is new, you do need to change your password. So if you click here, to join now. Okay, in this section here, this is for anybody who either is an existing customer or a consultant. We're speaking more to the customers right now. What you would do is enter in whatever email address you had, but you'd also reset your password. So you click your forgot password and just set a new password up. Okay, and that will help you get into the entire website and see everything there is to see. If you have any problems with this, please let me know. Sometimes our head office has to manually just enter in a password for you that you can change later. If you are brand new or you don't even remember your old customer ID or anything like that, you can go over to this side here on this page. The reason for doing a customer account is so you can look up your orders, your tracking, that sort of thing. So there's two options here. It doesn't look like two, it almost looks like it's just a bit of a heading, but there's Join Watkins as a consultant. That's if you wish to sell the products, get them at a discount, stuff like that. And this is a separate section all on its own. This is the new customer, free to join as a customer. Again, just allows you to track your orders and everything else. So if you want to be a new customer or you just don't remember your old customer ID, which is totally fine, enter in your name, first name, last name, email address, set up a password. My consultant number, that's just my number. It'll just connect you, with me, and that's that. So you click on create account, and then you will get your information through email and be able to come back to this site and then order. Since I'm not going myself to create a customer account, I do want to just go to my site where I am logged in as a consultant, just so I can show you how you can do your ordering and everything. So you'll see here, I'm in Canada, so that's why the Canadian flag is showing. So once you come to the site, if you still see the click to join now, don't even worry about that. You can browse up here. You can see all of our categories are up here now. So our extracts, spices, recipe mixes, more products, recipes, which is new, and then information about Watkins. So if you look at these categories, you will see that there's specials now in each category. Before there was just monthly specials, okay? Now you have it down here. All right, so recipe mixes, these are a lot of our seasonings and blends. You can find things that, yes, are low sodium, stuff like that. Now you go into more products. We do have some new products. We have the Nordic Wear baking wear products, your J.R. Watkins body care and stuff like that. That's all here. So anyway, so that's all there. And then, yes, some baking stuff there as well too. I'm just kind of checking it around here. You won't see this section here about the consultant shop. That's just for me because I'm a consultant signed in. So anyways, The rest of it's pretty much the same. I mean, you can go, check on your items. I guess something that is different. I did forget about that. So look around here. It'll tell you the different flavors. Scroll through. Down here, these are just kind of some featured items and stuff like that. So if you're not finding what you're looking for, use the search up here, okay? And you can type in, what you're looking for, and it's going to pull up pretty much everything to do with pepper, as you can see. So not just regular pepper, but the blends, any recipe that has pepper in it. When you do click on an item, this is new and helpful. It will show you if it's in stock, okay? But you can also add it to your wish list as well. So take a look at that, and you can add comments and stuff. Those are always nice, but it will show how, like, if it's in stock or not. And you can put it to your wish list for another day if you are kind of just putting together an idea of what you want, or you can go ahead and just add it right on into your cart, do your checkout, and it'll be delivered to you. So in a nutshell, that is the website. Again, if you have any problems with the new website or getting onto the site, ordering anything like that, please let me know and I will assist you. I'll put my information in the comments, and I look forward to helping you out. Have a great week. Have a great month. Halloween is coming up as of the current video date here. So happy Halloween, and we'll talk to you later. All right, thanks. Bye.